Are you thinking about starting a keto diet or having trouble getting started? Then stop for a second. I have a free download for you that will get you started with keto the quick and easy way. Now, if you're not interested in keto, you can skip this video right now. This is for new keto dieters only. I repeat, if you're not interested in keto, you may want to skip this video and watch something else. This video is only for those who want a free quick start guide to the keto diet. Okay, so by now you've heard about all the folks looking and feeling their best ever with the keto diet. Over 300,000 people have downloaded this keto quick start guide so far. Keto is a worldwide sensation, no doubt. And today I'd like to grant you free access to this very same report, your very own 28-page keto quick start guide, Keto for Beginners. So you don't have to sift through the loads of misinformation out there, avoid the most common mistakes and pitfalls most beginners make, and kickstart your keto diet the right way. You can download Keto for Beginners for free today if you just click on the blue download button. If you're on your phone or tablet, you'll find the download button right below this video. You'll be taken to your download page for instant access. And if you're on your computer, you'll find the download button in the bottom left corner of this video. So go ahead and click on it and download your free Keto Quick Start Guide now. Still here? Go ahead and click the blue download button now.